y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we are going to decorate my acrylic nails with me. So the first thing I'm going to do, I filed, buffed, and cleansed my nails. First thing I'm going to do is go in with this not polish, no wipe top coat. Any no wipe top coat you have will do. I am going to do a chrome candy cane nail design. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that. It's super easy and super fun for the holidays. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this holiday Christmas nail design. So I have some chrome powder here. This one is from AliExpress, and I'm basically rubbing it into that no wipe top coat. So after you cured it, that's what has to be a no wipe. You need to put it over it with a sponge. Now, I believe it has to be a no wipe. I could be wrong and it has to be a base coat that you have to do, but I think it's a no wipe top coat. But I didn't really I like the effect, but I wanted it to be even more glittery. So what I did was I went over that. First of all, I clean off any extra powder with the brush, and then I go over it with another layer of top coat. And then I'm going to go in with this brush. This is just an old powder brush, and I'm just sprinkling in some of the chrome powder into the nail. And then this is like a dense brush, so I'm just tapping into that wet top coat very gently and moving around that chrome powder till I get a look that I like, and then I cure that. And then now we're going to be going in with the candy cane design. Super easy. Now for me, this was really hard because my hands are super unsteady. So this is really difficult for me. So I was really proud of myself that I managed to do this. I know a lot of people this would be easy for them, but for me this is really difficult. But we are trying to get a candy cane design. So I did thicker lines first, and then after I did the thicker lines, I went in with some thinner lines. And I think that these girly candy cane nails are so cute. I love the glitter chrome underneath. I thought it was super beautiful design. It's a really fun girly take on the candy cane design. So I super enjoyed this. And then I also, I'm not sure if I captured it in the video, but I did adhere some nail charms that I got from Shein on the first finger and the pinky finger. And then I didn't do this on camera again. My shakiness, I didn't manage to get this on camera for you guys, but I did do a French design on the ring finger after like 6 attempts. Finally did it, and then I put some Swarovski crystals over it. So back to the candy cane design again. I have severe OCD, so I am just trying to perfect these designs as much as I can, these lines here. And then for the thinner lines, I just applied less pressure on the brush. That was how I did use the same brush to get thicker versus thinner lines. And I am using the Vanillisa gel paint. I like it. I think it's pretty good. And then this little palette ring here I did get from Shein. I do have a haul coming up. Probably that will be the next video. So yeah, I am just rubbing it on that palette to make sure that I have the correct amount of painting gel that I need. And I'm continuing on with the candy cane design. I absolutely love these nails. They were super cute, girly Christmas nails, and I'm just obsessed with them. So yeah, I hope you guys like them. I did try to get this snowflake on the middle of the nail, and boy, I was struggling. Everything was slipping and sliding off, so I ended up not keeping this design on. Again, I told you guys I did go in and hand paint a French on there and then add some crystals on top. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really like the candy cane design with the chrome. I thought it's a really easy design if you don't have shaky hands like me. Most people have pretty steady hands. Really easy design, and it's like a really girly take on a Christmas design, so I absolutely love it. And me building these nails with the Koopa Odorless Monomer will be in a different video. Now let me know, you guys. I do have that video in real time. It is about 20 minutes. Let me know if you guys want the video in real time. I know a lot of you are interested in the odorless monomer and are just a bit confused about the application and stuff. So I'm still learning myself, but I think I have a pretty good handle on it. So let me know if you guys want that video in real time or twice sped up. Yeah, I do appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for your support and your kind comments, and they just always make my day. So I really do appreciate that. Yeah, I hope everyone's holiday season is going well and everybody's staying healthy and keeping safe. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these candy cane designed Christmas nails with chrome as much as I did. We decorated the nails with me today. Yeah, you guys see me struggling here with this Swarovski snowflake, but that's okay. We ended up getting really cute nails. I mean, absolutely love these. So, yeah, you guys, that's it for today. Bye!